Hey Kansas City, it's time for our housing market update and question of the month. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team, bringing you this month's market update from Meadowbrook Park on this beautiful fall day. Now, when we look at July 2024 compared to July of 2023, we saw a very minimal increase in the number of homes closed. In fact, it was 0.1%. And in Johnson County, we saw a decrease of homes closed at 3.8%. For prices of homes, 3.8% increase overall in Kansas City with a 3% increase in Johnson County. And when we look at the number of homes for sale compared to the number of buyers who are looking, we are still at a 2-month inventory, which equals a seller's market. And for the question of the month, if we're painting the interior of our home, what color do you suggest that's currently trending? It's white. Yes, that is correct. It is white, and there are so many different shades of white. So at Benjamin Moore, look at Chantilly lace or Dove white, and at Sherwin-Williams, check out Alabaster or even Oyster white. Look for the 8x10 samples. You can order them online so you can try them throughout your room with different shades in the morning, afternoon, and evening sun. As always, it's an absolute pleasure being your resource for real estate needs and reaching your goals in buying, selling, or investing in real estate. Have a great day.